approve page. So in the approve page, this is where you approve a particular schedule or time records for those employees. So it looks like the list view because you can view multiple employees by just clicking on the name here. You can see all their schedules. So let's say, for example, you want your employees to see their time records. You don't allow them to log in, you just allow them to clock in or out. So we'll just show them this page, proof page, and then have them confirm if this is correct or not. If they check that this is correct or not, if they're logged into their account, they can just approve it. Select this one, click on approve, and the by employee column here should turn to yes. Then if you have seen their time records, you see that they're already approved their own time cards. Then you can just click on that and click approve, and it should appear here. So the name of the person that has approved the time record or the time card will show up here. However, if a manager already approved the time record for that employee and an admin has approved it, only the name of the admin will show up here. So the higher ones in hierarchy will be the ones to be displayed here. Now let's say your employee has corrected one time and then said, "Oh, I actually went to work on February 9th because I have relieved for this employee." So you just click on add. So the same thing as the list view page or the day view page. Click on add. You select work hours and then you select the shift, the correct job code, and then the correct time. Then click add. So if you're done with that, you just click that one out and approve it. So if you decided that this is not correct, so you did not go to work here, I don't have any records, you just click on that one, select that time record, and unapprove it. So this is just a much more high technology way to approve their time records instead of having it printed out, then having it signed, then you just upload it, or you have to waste some ink and then paper when you're trying to make the employee check their hours. So instead of doing that, you can just let them log in, or you can just show them this page and you just approve it, then it's all good to go. And as I always say, never forget to select the correct date range so that you will see the correct time record that you wish to see for that particular pay period. Now let's go to the reports. So as you can see here, there's a message that says your account is under free plan. Accessing to the reports button below will be restricted after March 10, 2022. That's because I was given a 30-day, a month of free trial to try all the paid subscription functions that our software offer. So this is one of the key difference. If you are under the free plan, you won't be able to access this page. So when you click on one report, it will show a different pop-up message here that says you need to upgrade to the paid subscription. So as you can see here, we have CSV file, PDF, Excel, and other files here. So if you wish to have your own reports requirement, you can just send us a template, then we'll have it uploaded on your reports page for you. However, we do have a charge of one-time fee of 390 US dollars for your customized reports. So you can just send that template under our support email, which is support@opentimeclock.com. Then we'll do the work for you. So let's say, for example, we want to see all your users' information. You just click on that. It will download a CSV file. When I open that file, it will show up like this. So this is almost the same. This is exactly the same file that you will upload under the user setting page if you wish to upload multiple employee information at the same time. So let's say you don't want that, you want to see their payroll. So we have a simple payroll report here in a PDF file. You select the date range, Just select which ones you're most comfortable seeing on the reports. Show the pay rates, yes or no. Select the name of the employees. If you want to see all employee time records, that's only fine. Select the departments. Then once you're done, you click OK, and then it will redirect you to a print preview page where you will see the simple payroll report. Once you're done, you print it out, you just click return and it will go back to the reports page. So the same thing applies for all the other reports. For CSV files or Excel files, it will automatically be downloaded once you click on them, as you can see here. For PDF file, it will redirect you first to a print preview page before you can print it out or save it. Now, it's kind of hard to see your most commonly used reports, right? So all you have to do is that you click on the star button here so that it will be highlighted in blue instead of white. That way you will be able to see or highlight your most commonly used reports. Let's say, for example, payroll, summary, simple payroll, biweekly payroll, job detail, request. Then you will be able to see all of those reports as quickly as possible. Now let's go to the My Hours. Now when we click on My Hours under the admin account, you will be able to see the point of view of your employees with their clock in. So they will be able to see request page, list, and day view pages. You'll also be able to see where who is in, if you are a manager, message, shift schedule, Pto Accrual, approve, my setting, and the exit, and of course the clock button here. So if you forgot to clock in, but you accidentally click on login, you can still clock in when you log in. You just click the clock button here. There should be a window here. Then you just type in your username, password, click the clock, and then you should be good to go. Now, the request page, this is what you will see. There's no edit button here, so I have the edit button because I have the admin account. But if I'm just an employee, I don't have the edit button here. Now, this is what I will see when I try to make a request, add absence entry, or if I want to delete a particular request, you just select on that, delete it. Now, the list view and day view page, I will only be able to see my time records on particular dates that I wish to see here. Now, if I set the correct date range, I will be able to see all my time records there. The same thing applies to the day view. So on where page, if I'm a manager or an admin, I would be the only ones to see this one. If I'm an employee, I won't be able to see it. And then after that, we have the message where I can send the message to my manager, employees, or other coworkers. And we have the shift schedule where I can see the schedule that was assigned to me by my admin or managers. I can click on that. Okay. A PTO accrual. So I will see all my accruals available. The approve page where I can approve the time card or my timestamps. When I select verify, you see it will turn to yes. And of course, lastly, the my setting where I can change my username, my password, my email, the default page I want to see when I log in, the base photo for the facial clock, and then just click save. And that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for listening and for watching this long video. I wish I was able to explain to you clearly on how our software works. So it's pretty much very easy once you get the hang of it. You just have to try it. We have a test account available, which you can see on the user login page. You'll see here the demo account that we have. which is company name T1, the password and username are 1, so you will be able to access the admin account for this test account. Then you should be able to see all this one out. Feel free to test it out first. We don't charge you for it, or you can just sign up your company right away. We can just delete your information once you decided that we have not met your criteria or requirements for a time clock, and it should be fine. Now, if you have any further questions or you have any other concerns, you can always send us an email with our technical support email, which is support@opentimeclock.com, or dial us using our toll-free number, which is +1 833 702 2927, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with your issue or your concern. That will be all. Thank you so much, and welcome to Open Time Clock.